my slime, red and yellow.
I'm having blue slime and green slime.
Let's start playing. Blue slime.
Blue slime. Hey, hey, come here.
See, Alex, it's so funny. Let's mix it. Mix.
Hey.
Wow, I also want to touch it. Can I also touch? Oh my gosh, it's lightning color.
Hey. And next one.
Should we put yellow?
Yeah.
You want to put?
Yeah.
Which?
Hey, Didi, stop it, wait.
Whoa. Let's mix. Mix.
There's three. Yellow and blue, green.
Mix. Oh wow, it's looking more nice.
Give me.
Whoa. The green color got disappeared. You want to put red?
Wait, Didi.
1, 2, smash!
Red
Disappointing.
Hey, give me. Purple slime.
What?
Rainbow slime.
See? Be careful.
Give me.
Touch it. You will not able to handle it. Alex, you are not able to handle it. Stop. You're making chapati. Make chapati. Let's cook food.
Ouch, got spoiled. Let's make a big slime.
Yes, it got spoiled. Hi friends.
Hi, friends.
Welcome to
Nitsa
and Alex. We are back with our new video, that is slime. Please subscribe, share and like our video and subscribe, and thank you for all the much love and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and thank you for so much love. Now we are going to make water slime. We need one bowl full of glue. I'm using white glue here, stationary one. You can use any one. So here we are going to put 1 scoop of water. This is water. Oh wow! Mix. Now we are going to put some dishwash liquid.
Oh.
See, it becomes yellow. We both are wearing blue, so we will make a blue slime. See, we have put in blue glitter.
Wow.
See, what a pretty color. Wow, Alex, see what a pretty color. Alex, see your favorite color.
Wait.
Now we are going to put activator. Be careful with this activator because it's very harmful chemical. If you are small, you can take your mother father's help. Okay? I'm putting activator. Don't add too much. We will keep mixing till the slime will not touch on the bowl. That means it's ready. If it will not, it will touch on the bowl. That means it's not. We will mix for 5 minutes. Then we will leave it for rest for 15 minutes. That will make your slime more stretchy and perfect. Now it's ready, but still we have to put it for 15 minutes to give it little rest. Till then we will make our fluffy slime. See, we put less glue. We have to shake it for well before using.
Oh, nice.
Here is our foam. We need a half cup. Now we will start mixing. sounds. That's why we didn't put that much. Now we are adding color. Pink, my favorite.
Yeah, we did this favorite color. Wow!
Now we will mix activator.
Activator!
I have put 5 to 6 teaspoons of activator.
See, this is cake.
Now our fluffy pink slime is ready.
Let's check how fluffy it is.
Wow, it's looking like a pink cake icing. How pretty. See, now it's not sticking anywhere in the bowl. That means it's perfect.
Let's make bubbles and slime.
Okay, I brought some stars for you. This is yours, this is mine. Let's start making.
I made the biggest one.
This is market slime. No nothing, no stretchy, not too fun to play.
This is my blue color flavorless slime. Look.
This is my pink fluffy slime. Pink color is my favorite color.
Yay! It is so fluffy. Hello, it is so fluffy.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5, 6.
Hello, Blay. Blay. We love homemade slime. This is real Spider-Man black. You did look? It's happening like yours. I made a train
This is my super
track.
icing.
Mama, I made a train track.
Bye.
Bye.
In next video, we will do more